Standing here with two of Engel Volker's most popular and successful agents, Dr. Peter Chow and of course Stephanie Badillo, and all these beautiful cars surrounding us. This is the first open house of its kind with the Audi Club of San Diego, and it's just littered with beautiful cars. Look at these Maseratis and things, and this is the car club. So what inspired you guys to do this?
So let Peter talk first and I'll get my idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a part of the San Diego Audi Club. I grew up loving cars, playing Gran Turismo. And I love going out on drives with these guys, and oftentimes we'll go to restaurants and hang out. And I figured, why not give these guys a great venue to have fun, relax, express themselves, and take pictures of cars. And we have a beautiful home here.
Tell me about the house. This is gorgeous.
Yeah, so this is right in the middle of East Lake Woods, a very affluent part of Chula Vista. It's got 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, beautiful pool in the back that's elevated with fountains, multicolor LED, a jacuzzi, a fire pit, a barbecue station. It's got pretty much anything you could possibly want, especially in Chula Vista.
And this is really convenient to downtown San Diego, and of course, for both your clients, we have a lot from. I stopped counting at like 70 people here. And you guys crushed it as an open house. It was commenting what an unusual way to hold an open house. They're calling their friends, telling them about this place.
Coming by to look at it, to enjoy car culture. I love cars, so why not? Look at all these SDA AC guys.